I recently discovered my grandma's vintage Betty Crocker cookbook stuffed with recipe clippings, and I thought it'd be fun to make recipes she collected over the years with you. Welcome to episode 1 of my new bi-weekly video series, Recipe Clippings. This first recipe clipping comes to us from the trade-off column in the August 1st, 1984 edition of the Detroit Free Press. Gather round, Gen Z, because I am about to blow your minds. Before the internet existed, readers would write into the newspaper requesting certain recipes. Detroit Free Press columnist Nettie Duffield would then take those recipe requests and publish them. Readers would then respond with the requested recipes. Then Nettie would test those recipes and publish them in the Detroit Free Press. Let's kick things off with Bisquick Donuts. For the dough, we start by whisking the dry ingredients and stirring in the wet. Knead the dough and roll it out into a 1/4 inch thick. I don't have a donut cutter, so I MacGyvered one with a mason jar and a mini cookie cutter left over from when I decided I was a bento box mom for 2 days. At this point in the process, I had my doubts about how these would turn out because they were so thin and it didn't require any proofing, but in Nettie, we trust. Then I prepared the chocolate glaze and the cinnamon sugar mixture, then dropped the donuts in the 375-degree oil for 30 seconds, flipped them over, and holy crap, it worked. But how do they taste? I popped a few of the donut holes while they were still warm out of the oil, and they were so delicious. The more the donuts cooled, the more they resembled the box cake Entenmann donuts you get at the grocery store. Overall, I'd give these a 7 out of 10. That said, I would make these again with the kids just because of how easy and fun they were to make. Be sure to follow as we travel back in time for more recipes.